stubborn fat that stays no matter how much you diet or exercise. This is what liposuction is designed for. Liposuction is a body contouring surgery. A thin tube called a cannula removes fat from beneath the skin through tiny incisions. Common treatment areas include the abdomen, flanks, thighs, arms, back, chin, and the male chest in cases of gynecomastia. Surgeons generally consider candidates who are near a stable, healthy weight, with good skin elasticity, in good health, and with realistic expectations. Liposuction is not a weight loss procedure. Major plastic surgery societies stress it reshapes specific areas. It does not treat obesity. Surgeons choose from several techniques: tumescent, ultrasound-assisted, power-assisted, or laser-assisted, based on the area and the amount of fat. In surgery, tumescent fluid numbs the area and reduces bleeding. The cannula then loosens and suctions fat, while the surgeon shapes the contour. The procedure takes 1 to 4 hours, depending on how many areas are treated. Most patients go home the same day or after one night. The first week brings swelling, bruising, and soreness. A compression garment is worn, and gentle walking is encouraged from day 1. Bruising fades over 2 to 3 weeks. Most return to light work within 1 to 2 weeks, avoiding strenuous exercise for 3 to 4. The final shape settles between 3 and 6 months as swelling fully resolves and the skin retracts over the new contour. Risks include contour irregularities, fluid collection, infection, and rarely blood clots. Risk rises when very large volumes are removed at once. Results last when weight stays stable. Removed fat cells don't return, but remaining ones can still enlarge with weight gain. Did you know you can get this treatment abroad at the same quality you'd get in the US or Europe for a fraction of the cost?
Ginger Healthcare is one of the world's most trusted medical travel companies. It helps patients to find safe and affordable care in India, Thailand, Turkey, Singapore, Dubai, Malaysia, and more. Visit ginger.healthcare or check the description for details.